Welcome to the day 6 in Master Sanskrit in 7 days. The topics we will be discussing today are Linga, Vachana, Purusha, Pratyaya, Samasa and Anuvada. Linga. Linga means gender. There are three genders in Sanskrit. Pullinga, masculine gender. Strilinga, feminine gender. Napunsakalinga, neuter gender. Rama, Balaka, the are Pullinga. Sita, Nadi are Strilinga. Phalam, Jalam are Napunsakalinga. There is one simple trick. If it ends with aha, it's a masculine gender. A or E, it's a feminine gender. Always ends for neutral gender. Here you can have some examples. Rama patati, Rama reads. Sita likhati, Sita writes. Phalam patati, fruit falls. Vachana means number. Now let's start Vachana. There are three vachanas in Sanskrit. Ekavachana, balakaha. Dvivachana, balakau. Bahuvachana, balakaha. Balakaha patati means one boy is reading. Balako patataha means two boys are reading. Balakaha patanti means many boys are reading. We have discussed this Purusha in pronouns. Prathama Purusha, third person, means Saha, he or she. Madhyama Purusha, second person, Tvam, means you. Uttama Purusha, first person, means Aham, I. Saha gacchati, Tvam gacchasi, Aham gacchami. Here we have some Anuvada. Balakaha gatva khelanti. Aham likhitुम् इच्छामि. Sah kritavan etat pataniyam. This is your today's homework. Here we have some practice questions for Anuvada. Ramah gatva patati. Ram studies after going. Balakah patitum ichchati. Boy wants to read. Sah kritavan. He has done. Etat kartavyam. This should be done. Now let's move on to pratyaya. Pratyaya means suffix. It comes in the end of the word. Pratyaya is the suffix added to dhatu. They help form verbs, nouns, adjectives. Now let's move on to some basic pratyaya. In basic pratyaya we start from twa, after doing. Example gatva. In this we have kri plus twa krutva, gam plus twa gatva, nam plus twa natva, pa plus twa pitva, shri plus twa shrutva, drish plus twa drishtva, han plus twa hatva, prich plus twa prishtva, kyaj plus twa tyaktva, sparsh plus twa sprashtva, na plus twa jnatva, pat plus twa patitva, pat plus twa patitva, puj plus twa pujayitva. Now let us move on to lep pratyaya. Yep has example pranamya. Next vijnaya, v plus da plus lyap. In yap pratyaya we add a upasarga also. Next one is agatya, a plus gam plus lyap. Adaya, a plus da plus lyap. Vismritya, v plus mrit plus lyap, and so on. Next let's move on to tuman pratyaya. Tuman means to do. Example gantum. Some more examples of tuman pratyaya are hantum, han plus tuman, pa plus tum, patum, sna plus tuman, snatum, da plus tuman, datum, krish plus tuman, krishtum, drish plus tuman, drishtum, has plus tum, hasitum. Here we have some more pratyaya. Ta pratyaya, tabatu pratyaya, tavyat pratyaya, anir pratyaya. Ta pratyaya has gataha, gata, gatam, kritaha, krita, kritam, pitaha, pita, pitam, shritaha, shrita, shritam, kritaha, krita, kritam, bhakshitaha, bhakshita, bhakshitam, ishta, ishta, ishtam, sevitaha, sevita, sevitam. And tavatu pratyaya is gatavan, gatavati, gatavat, gatavan, gatavati, gatavat, Chitavan, pitavati, pitavat, shritavan, shritavati, shritavat, kritavan, kritavati, kritavat. And tavyat pratyaya has gam plus tavyat, gantavyam, pat plus tavyat, patitavyam, hasitavyam, rakshitavyam, chetavyam, datavyam. Now, I have a question for you. Kri plus tavyat, what is it? You might be thinking it's kritavyat, but no, it is kartavyam. Now let's move on to anir pratyaya. गम प्लस अनियर गमनीयम, पट प्लस अनियर पठनीयम, हस प्लस अनियर हसनीयम रक्षणीयम, जयनीयम दायनीयम करणीयम. Ta pratyaya when added to pullinga gives strilinga, like balaka plus ta gives balika, nada plus ta gives nadi. For ni pratyaya, twa pratyaya adds tvam in the end. Bala plus tvam balatvam, sundara plus tvam sundaratvam, tal shuddhata, it adds ta in the end. Matu dhanavan, dhana plus matu gives dhanavan. Tak pauranikah, purana plus tak gives pauranikah. Samasa are the combining words. Example: Rajnah Purushaha, Rajapurushah, Tatpurusha Samasa, Karmadharya Samasa, Twanda Samasa, Avyayi Bhava Samasa, Bhuprihi Samasa, and Trigu Samasa are the different types of Samasa. Let's start with Tatpurusha Samasa. Tatpurusha rule. First word has hidden vibhakti. Start with Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Rajnah Purushaha, Rajapurushaha, Devanam Patihi, Devapatihi, नाराणां पति नरपतिः, देवस्य पूजा देवपूजा, सुखस्य भोगः सुखभोगः. द्वितीय तत्पुरुष समासः has words like शरणमागतः शरणागतः, सुखप्राप्तः सुखप्राप्तः. तृतीय तत्पुरुष समासः has like पितृयुक्तः पित्रायुक्तः, and words like ज्वरेण पीडितः ज्वरपीडितः. Now let's move on to चतुर्थी तत्पुरुष समासः. यूपाय दारु यूपदारु. पंचमी तत्पुरुष समासः. चौरात् भयं चौरभयं, रोगात् मुक्तः रोगमुक्तः, ज्वरात् मुक्तः ज्वरमुक्तः. Now let's move on to सप्तमी तत्पुरुष समासः. युद्धे निपुणः युद्धनिपुणः, कार्ये कुशलः कार्यकुशलः, शास्त्रे प्रवीणः शास्त्रप्रवीणः, जले मग्नः जलमग्नः. Now let's move on to नन् तत्पुरुष समासः. न धर्मिकः अधर्मिकः, न सुखम् असुखं, न आदि अनादि, न सत्यम् असत्यम्. Now let us move on to कर्मधारय समासः. कर्मधारय समासः has words like नीलम् उत्पलं नीलोत्पलं, विशालः वृक्षः विशालवृक्षः, मधुरं फलं मधुरफलं, ज्येष्ठः पुत्रः ज्येष्ठपुत्रः, सुन्दरः पुरुषः सुन्दरपुरुषः. द्वन्द्व समासः. The name gives the meaning that it means there are two people in this. Dva means two. Ramascha Krishnascha Ramakrishna, Sita cha Ramascha Sita Rama. Now let's move on to Avyayi Bhava Samasa. Yatha Shaktihi Shaktim Anatikromya, Nirvignam Vignanam Abhavah, Upagangam Ugangaya Samipam, Anurupam Rupasya Yogyam, Upagramam Gramasya Samipam, Pratyekam Ekam Ekam Iti. द्विगुसमासः. सप्तानां दिनानां समाहारः becomes सप्तदिनं, पञ्चानां पात्राणां समाहारः becomes पञ्चपात्रम्. Let's move on to बहुव्रीहि समास, meaning goes outside, one who has. बहुव्रीहि समास examples: पीताम्बरः, one who has yellow clothes, means पीतम् अम्बरं यस्य सः. तत्पुरुषः direct, बहुव्रीहि indirect. Here we have some food names in English and Sanskrit. You may go through these ones. Here we have some names of occupations in Sanskrit. You may go through this. If you have any doubts, please make sure to ask it in the comments. Dhanyavadah. Finally, we have completed 6 days out of 7 in Master Sanskrit in 7 days. Once again, Dhanyavadah.